June 2nd, going up to South Sister, which apparently is the third highest peak here. Also happens to be a volcano. And I'm going up a little chute right now. We're getting there. Look at that. That's not the mountain we're going up. We're going up the one over there somewhere. It's gonna be a hot one today. Really been tricky managing layers. Convertible pants that definitely aren't the coolest things in the world are gonna be prime. Almost at the fun part where I get to really start sweating. Whew. This has been the hardest part so far, just going all the way down over there, just this whole ascent all the way up here. The snow is soft, slippery. Switched over to the crampons from the split board and take me the rest of the way up. Keeps going past there, don't worry, there's a whole nother ridge. It's quite steep. Well, made it up that little chute. And still got a long ways to go. Word of the day, up slowly. Oh, there's a lift chair around here somewhere. Oh yeah, it's over on that mountain. Damn. It's gotten windier. That last section was sketch. It's real loose stuff, and there's a couple 100-foot cliff right there. That wouldn't have been so bad if I didn't bring fucking 50 pounds on my back. DSLRs, GoPros, all this overnight camp shit. That's where we're going. That's it, right up there. That's the peak. I'm ready to be at the peak. Summit, South Sister. Holy shit, look at that view. Yeah, the shorts, they're stylish. Tell you what, it's cold up here though. It's not easy with this backpack. Oh my god, this backpack is so heavy. Oh my god. I'm literally slowing down. It's so slow. It's too hot out here. Go, go, go. That was so epic! Yeah, you know. Went from the summit. Oh hey, I'll take this over walking. Fuck. Ow. Okay. I'm all alone. There's no one here beside me. Alright, so I'm gonna navigate past these rocks here, go down, and then I gotta take the board off, hike across some rocks. Oh boy. Now I cut over that way. So that's actually not too bad. Pack is heavy. I really gotta think about all my turns, that's for sure. Woo! Land ho! We're back to this shitty, slippery, volcanic rock. This is not my idea of snow. but we're getting there. To the snow! Made it across the lava pit. There's a big cornice right here. It's actually a glacier right here. One of the glaciers. That's where I hiked up. Kind of sketchy. I'm gonna do some turns right here and then drop right after that lip of the cornice. Oh. Look at that. A little bit of slack. Ooh, maybe I can get through over here. Yes! That's what I'm talking about. Not walking. Just snowboarding on by, don't mind me. Wow. Always know your route. Some cliffs over here too. Look at that beauty back there. Look at that. Eee! Oh shit. Sketchy. Very sketchy. Alright, get off this shit. Dodging rocks. We're at Green Lake. The Lake of the Green. Well, it appears I have to swim across the Green Lake. I guess this is where I take my boots off, because there's a good chance of boots going in that water. Alright. My feet are wet and sweaty anyways. Ah, get off my foot. Oh, that's cold. Cold. Oh, fuck. Oh. Woo! We're in. Oh, fuck. Oh. Holy shit, that water's cold. Oh my god, my feet are freezing. Oh, it burns. I can't move. They're cramping. Oh. Oh, I've never done that before. Okay. Okay, I can feel my feet again. They burn. Wow, that's fucking cold. Holy shit. You know, just gonna put my boots back on, but pretty comfy. Lean up against the pack, feet up. I think I found me a little waterfall, get some fresh water, cook some dinner, lunch, dinner, and maybe rinse off a bit. Ah, that's cold! Ah, that's fucking cold! Boil, baby, boil! Alright, let's get the tour of the new pad, the new crib. Pretty snowy, wet day. So we got a laundry room set up over here. Dryers in full effect. Then over here we got the kitchen, or rather, you know, filtered water system. Running filtered water, nice and cold, ice cold, straight from the river. And then, well, we got the bedroom. This is where the magic happens. This is where the sleep happens. Hammock camping this time, keeping it light and easy. And then of course, you know, dinner, because I'm hungry, had a big day. We got dinner happening over here. And we could have chicken teriyaki or beef stroganoff. We got big screen TV. And then just past the laundry room here, we got where we just went today. Very, very tippy top. You know, real estate's getting expensive, and you know, I'm pretty happy with my place. Temperature's nice. It gets a little breezy, but it's great.